S4, Cadet Major or Cadet Major Fatima Batas. Corps S5, Majorates Leader Marian May Velasco. Band Leader Jan Cedric Razon. Company Commander Cadet Captain Cyrus Habal. Company EXO Cadet First Lieutenant Junuel Briggs. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Red Jericho Versosa. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Second Lieutenant Diane Berizo. CAT Facilitator Commandant Heder Versosa. Band Advisor Coordinator Laika Bernadette Versosa. Major's Trainer Liza Pontillas. Nathan Joseph Angelo Buhayo, Assistant CAT Facilitator. Entry number 16, Bonifacio, Borebor Senior High School. Award Panagoan Torneo Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 16, Bonifacio D. Borebor Senior High School, Caramoan, Camarines Sur.